A speech for National Reading Day. I do believe that something very magical can happen when you read a good book. Taking into heart the inspiring words of J.K. Rowling, I wish you all a wonderful and pleasant morning. As we all know, today we have gathered here to celebrate Reading Day. Today, I am gladly taking this opportunity to speak a few words about National Reading Day and my views about the importance of reading. National Reading Day is an occasion celebrated to honor the initiation of the library movement in India by P.N. Panikkar. P.N. Panikkar was a teacher and contributed greatly to the world of literacy. He initiated the Kerala library named Sanatana Dharmam in his hometown. And this was one of the first libraries that let people explore reading and the value of books. To honor this great personality and in memory of his remarkable contribution to the culture of reading, his death anniversary day, June 19th, is celebrated as National Reading Day every year. Books really are your best friends, as you can rely on them when you are bored, upset, depressed, lonely, or annoyed. They will accompany you anytime you want them and enhance your mood. They share with you information and knowledge anytime you need. Good books always guide you to the correct path in life. Habit of reading improves our vocabulary and develops our communication skills. It helps us to understand the world around us better. We get an amazing amount of knowledge and information from books. Reading a good book takes you in a new world and helps you relieve your day-to-day stress. Reading helps you explore life from different perspectives. It makes you think creatively, fantasize, and use your imagination. Most importantly, reading can benefit you in every area where you desire to grow. The habit of reading is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. Books are known to be your best friend for a reason. So it is very important to develop a good reading habit. It is a great pleasure to sit in a quiet place and enjoy reading. Reading a good book is the most enjoyable experience one can have. With this, I conclude. Happy Reading Day to all. Thank you.